how she's going to act this time. And it was a very impressive performance by her in her first final. So now Madina Katizina is in the red corner and Farida Abdueva is in the blue corner. It's a good knee from Farida Abdueva, and that's exactly what she did in her previous final. And that's unsuccessful takedown attempt from Katizina. And Abdueva has a chance to become the first double Asian Pacific champion, because there are five fighters tonight who fight both in MMA and striking MMA finals, and two of them, Ibrahim Kassiev and Marier Tebraeva, have already fought, and they won. Marier Tebraeva won gold medal and then silver medal, and Ibrahim Kassiev won 2 silver medals. So for Farida Abdueva, it's a perfect chance to bring 2 gold medals to Kyrgyzstan.
Saymadan aksiya 55% arzandатуу. Айына болгону 580 сомго секундасына 100 мегабитке чейин интернет жана үйдөгү телевидение. 200дөн ашуун телеканал, Стат жана О кино үй кинотеатрлары, түзеле телевизордон YouTube көрүү, жана дагы белекке ТВ приставка. Сайма толук кошулабыз.
And you see that she works actively, switching the stances. Oh, and a good high kick by Farida Abdueva. And another one. With middle kick. So Farida Abdueva, little by little, she finds her range. Good middle kicks from her. Good combination. And again, very good knees from tight clinch. That's what Abdueva has shown in the first fight, and that's what she's showing in this final. Oh, good combination. Good punching combination by Abdueva. Oh, good axe kick. Another one. And another punch from right. Oh, good middle kick by Farida Abdueva. So you see that her ambitions about becoming double champion are very serious here. It's the last 10 seconds of the very intense first round, and it's Farida Abdueva who was maybe a little bit more active, and she caught. And as you can see, all judges gave it in the favor of Farida Abdueva, and 2 judges, they even gave it as a 10-8 score. So it was obvious advantage of Kyrgyz athlete. And now Madina Katizina asks for the timeout. Make her hair. Madina Katizina, but now she's okay and fight continues. Look how concentrated is Farida Abdueva. She's very concentrated on any of her actions, and you see how great balance she has. How well she defends against single leg attempt, but nevertheless, Madina Katizina managed to take her opponent down. So it's an interesting test for the grappling skills of Farida Abdueva, because we've seen her for 4.5 rounds in a stand-up solely, First it was striking MMA, then it was MMA, and it's very interesting to see what she's capable of on the ground, and that's her first test. Now she tries to hold her opponent's neck into the guillotine, but it's obvious that type of submission hold is not gonna bring her submission victory. It's not tight enough and it's not done properly. So as I got it, the thing that oh great, the corner of Kyrgyz fighter was expecting her to hold her opponent until they would be stood up, but instead FARIDA ABDUEVA did great switch, great sweep, and ended up in a top position, and it was done exactly on time for her, and it was a great moment for her to do that, because it was about one last minute, and now she can try to work from here, even though she didn't work that much, and I think she would like to just get back to stand up where she is at her best. And Madina Katizhina is up, and the fight starts again from a stand-up position. The last 10 seconds. Oh, and what a great combination. You can see that, wow, every time that FARIDA ABDUEVA engages in a tight clinch or tries to land the punches and kicks, it's just vicious. She takes so much damage for her opponents, and it's interesting how this round would be scored, but I wouldn't be surprised if this round would go to ABDUEVA. And you hear that in the corner of FARIDA, in the corner of Madina Katizhina, in a red corner, it was her corner say like, what does it mean? I can. You can. You need to give it all. In round number 3, you need to fight for your victory. You still have a chances. But no, you see, that's exactly what happened. Madina Katizhina told that she cannot fight anymore, and she chose to just not to continue the fight, and therefore FARIDA ABDUEVA has become double Asian Pacific champion under Gamma banner here in Pattaya, Thailand. Congratulations to Kazakhstan with its double champion, and congratulations to FARIDA as well.
In the blue